Hey guys, hi Rupal. सबसे पहले तो आप लोग देख लो, मैंने मेकअप किया है सारे प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करके जो मैं सेल कर रही हूँ। मैंने ये सब आप लोगों को इसलिए बता रही हूँ क्योंकि मुझे कई कमेंट्स डीएम्स आए हैं कि मैं फ़ेक प्रोडक्ट सेल कर रही हूँ। अगर सबसे पहले मैं फ़ेक प्रोडक्ट सेल कर रही होती तो मैं खुद पे ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ नहीं करती फर्स्टली। सेकेंडली, मैं होलसेल में उठाती हूँ सारा सामान, तो मुझे कम प्राइस में मिलता है, तो इसलिए मेरे प्राइसेस औरों के मुकाबले थोड़े से हाई थोड़े से लो हो सकते हैं। और रही बात, मेरे को कई क्वेश्चन आए थे मैं कौन सी वैनिटी या कौन सा आपको दे रही हूँ, मैं पाउच दे रही हूँ या क्या दे रही हूँ फ्री। तो आई विल शो इट टू यू. This is the vanity. I am giving it to you for free. This is vanity from Faces Canada. You can see this. Now let me tell you all the products I have used today. They all are original products I am having. So let me show it to you. For primer, I have used aloe vera gel because I am having pimple problem. So let me show it to you. This is Super Stay 24-hour foundation I have used in shade 220 natural beige, and I have used two concealers. Light one is for my eyes and little bit darker for my skin. And let me show it to you. The light one, this is the light one, you can see this, and this is shade number 003 satin, and the darker one, this is 004 silk. This was the base colors I have used, and let me show you the palettes I have used today. This is SFR Hate with Love. Worldwide, I have used for base color for my eyes, and I have used Love UG. This color. And then I have used Leon Beauty US Rock and Roll. I have used golden color from this color on my corners, and here I go. This is the new addition to my family. SFR color, Mary colors. You can see that. I have used Truth blue color from here, Healing golden from here, this one on my eye corner. here. Let me show you the swatches of this color. Let's start with this. You can see this. Actually, I'm alone today, so I'm not able to do it quickly, so I guess you'll understand, guys. And like this, let me show you. This is the golden one. So you can see how pigmented these colors are, and these all are original palettes. And let me go on to the contour. This is Color Bar Contour. The code is 001 natural, if you can see that. And this is also very pigmented. All are original products. Again and again I am saying it to you, so you can see this. And after this I don't like to put lashes or anything, so I use this Color Bar mascara. One side is for volume and one side is for lengthening, so you can go with this too. This is very nice. This one is for volume, this one is for lengthening. And I have used this white color kajal MAC. I have shown it to you in last video also. This one. Hi Faiza Khan 0925. And now let me introduce you to this new palette. I have bought it. Never Trust the Living. You can see this color. So let's do the swatching for this also. Hello Lipika. Let's go with let's go with some glittery ones. This one, let's go with this color. See this. Can you see that? How pigmented this color is. And let's go with one light pink color in this. And let's start with Huda Beauty's Story Diamond Highlighter. One second. Yeah, you can see that. See. This is the highlighter, Huda Beauty Diamond Highlighter. And the highlighter I have used is Swiss Beauty Highlighter. The shade is 02. Champagne Gold. You can see this. I'll tell you one thing. This much is enough for your whole face. This is very shimmery. Very, very shimmery. And here I go with Swiss Beauty Jelly Highlighter. See, I haven't opened it yet. See this. This is how it will keep on shaking. Can you see the shine? Now let's start with the Huda Beauty non-transferable lip colors. So many shades, so many colors. Okay, let's do the liquidy matte. I'm taking this color brown. Such a creamy texture, and they all are original products. I'm saying it again and again. Let's go with red one. Let's go with one dark purplish shade. So these were the new products, and yes, let me show it to you. This amazing mirror. You can see this. See. This is an amazing product, and I'm in love with this mirror. And yes, last but not the least, the lip color I have used is Neon Beauty lipstick. The shade is 5, and the blush I have used is Faces Canada Glam On. The shade number is I guess I have to check the box for this. You can see. These are the products I have used. Even for married people, even I have Sindoor, colored bar Sindoor. You can see. Red color. Even I have used this. It's amazing. There is no tension of chemical and anything. So yes, let's start with questioning and answering. Let me check one second. Yes. So Nancy Arora, प्राइस प्लीज़। आप किस चीज़ का प्राइस पूछ रहे हैं? आप मुझे DM कर सकते हैं या WhatsApp कर सकते हैं। एंड यस, so any questions, anyone? And if you want to order, thank you Rupal Sharma. Yes, so anyone wants to order, you can DM me or WhatsApp me the product name. I will send you the details. So again, I am asking you all, any questions regarding products or anything. Lipika, I have used two eyeshadow palettes. Actually, three eyeshadow palettes. That one is this new collection SFR Merry Color, and they have pressed pigmentation, and one that big one SFR Hate with Love, and that rock and roll, sorry. Yeah, I can show you the vanity. 1 second. This is the vanity. Faces Canada. I'm giving it for free. In purchase above 1500 to 2000. Cute Sweetie 14, thank you so much. And yes, soon I'm coming with new offers and some surprise gifts for you all, so stay tuned and keep ordering. So anyone, any questions? You can see my face, my makeup. Yes, I'm coming with the giveaway too, Lipika. No, it's not, giveaway is not the surprise. Surprise is on its way. You have to wait for at least 4 days. Then I will let you know about that also. Thank you, Oshima. Thank you so much, Oshima. Thank you so much, Lipika. Hello. So let's now. Yes, Lipika, I am a makeup artist too. Okay, now guys, let's end this session right here, and I'm going to post this products now, so you can all just go and buy these all things and grab your hands on this. So, and yes, let me tell you one thing, I have all limited products right now due to this COVID-19, so just go and grab it fast. Thank you so much, Lipika. Hello, Stuti. So let's end this. Okay, so bye guys. I will come up again with an IGTV video of this look soon and some new looks, so you can just practice at home. Okay, so let me take your leave and let's go. Bye guys, see you soon with new products.